an easel. I think Dad made it. My sister's had it for a really long time. So there's my yard. So it really only takes about a minute for me to walk home. But it's hot today. Probably about maybe 90. Well, it was 90 in the shop, which is, I don't know, over 30 Celsius something. Okay, so this is home. And I'm going to set up somewhere, but it's a little bit too windy. So that's my hydrangeas. Hydrangeas and backyard. I think it's too hot out here. That used to be where the Druid's garage was. It went down really fast. Well, they took it down. This is where I had all the plans to do stuff when I was younger, but never did. Now it's just a jungle again. It was empty when I